Welcome in, guys. You are here, and we are in the Grub Match house. You're tuning into FoodTokTV, and we are proudly here to present our second annual 2026 Grub Match. Let's go! So, we're starting the official Grub Match where we're down with 2 people at 6 p.m., but this is going to be our elimination round. So starting off, they're going to have 15 minutes to make mayonnaise, and then they will get judged. So, guys, they've already been given the rules. They already have their stations set up. All right, guys, is on the count of 3, we're going to begin. 3, 2, 1, let's make mayonnaise.
Let's go.
They better watch out.
Guys, he says he's the one to beat this year. He told me he's the one to beat.
I'm the one.
3 minutes.
3 minutes, and we've already got sabotage. People sabotage. Coming into this, that Carrie's got a plan.
No, Carrie didn't have a plan.
No plan? How many times did he practice in the jet?
Once.
Oh. And was it
the
good?
first time ever, yeah.
It was really good.
Oh, we know a tip.
Yes.
Now, see, what you might not know about Daphne, if you're just tuning in, you might not know that Daphne's late husband was the, what's it, like?
Mark Peel. Yeah.
Mark Peel, you know, she used to be on Food Network, so they can talk smack, but if I'm thinking, like, my money's on, you know. We got mayo, is that what I heard?
No, he's white. Doesn't his look like mayo?
Oh.
Oh, you did? Did you use that one?
Oh.
Yeah.
How are we doing, V?
Someone say you used both. Oh. Christine, did you just sabotage me?
No. You sabotaged me. Never my whisk. Somebody gave me a wet whisk.
Oh!
So I need somebody to put me.
Oh my God! Come on, let's go. We gotta go. What's happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh, I think we got mayo, guys. I think we got mayo.
Hey.
Oh, we got mayo.
Don't play with me.
Oh, slow and steady wins the rings.
Don't play.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
I am feeling really well. Positive this year.
Oh my God. I feel it.
Look at this.
Let me see.
Oh, we're going over here, people.
Oh, wow.
What's
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Who am I looking at?
Oh, yeah. Show the camera, Bobby. That's Bobby, show the camera. I think we got mayo.
I think you have to hold it over your head, though. Wasn't that the thing?
That was last year, Jeff. That was for the
It's in.
Guys, we are at the halfway point. If you are thinking you made a mistake, now would be your time to maybe restart. You got 8 minutes.
Too late. Can't go back to your head.
I'm sweating. All right, who is restarting? T, you're restarting.
Jesse's starting over.
Daphne T is all restarting. Honey, let me see.
Are you starting over?
Do you? I don't see any paper towels.
Is Daphne starting over?
Yes, we got Daphne
Daphne
starting over. She was
over.
not
All right.
feeling good about her first mayo.
Okay.
Mr. Crown,
But
all
again.
starting over. Christine, you
Yes,
start
Christine,
first.
this is crazy.
No. All right. We only got one confident Nelly at this point, guys. Anybody? Any over there? T, who's got the oil? Right here.
It's literally right in front of her station.
What?
It's right in front of her station.
Right on your station. Anyway, guys, we've got one positive so far. All we have is our Bobby that is confident in his abilities. So let's go see where we're at.
Coochie.
Or do we feel better?
I don't know. I just restarted.
Just restarted. Carrie, are we feeling? You want to see what she's doing? She's like just starting.
It's hard just not to panic.
Just go slow with the oil.
I would like to remind you, I was on Beat Bobby Flay and made it to the finals.
Correct, right.
You're done, right?
She
Kinsey?
was on Beat Bobby Flay. She was on Beat Bobby Flay and made it to the finals. You have nothing to worry about, my dear. Just whip.
Yeah.
How are we feeling? Oh, T, I see something.
T, I see something.
I see something good.
There's something happening there.
How you feeling about this one?
I'm better.
All right.
Much better.
Much good. Jesse, all right.
Jesse, how we doing, buddy?
Slow and steady. Not too much.
Not too much of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 finished. You finished? Oh. Update. We've got 2. We've got Bobby and we've got Kunchi.
Oh my God.
Done. Confident. They're calling it. They're done.
Okay.
Let's go.
And it's.
I'm scared to
11
stand
minutes
over
after,
here.
So we
We're
have.
going over here. How you feeling, Art?
I feel great.
You feeling good?
Yeah.
You feel like mayonnaise?
I think it's
All right. There's a biohazard over here. Type these, honey.
Christine.
It's Christine. Christine is done. Christine is done. Let's go take a look now that she's done. Let's check on her.
So, what I'll do is I'll speak.
It's time. I turned it in.
You turned it in.
Good job. Yeah. What do you think?
That's what I made.
Christine?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's confidence.
Yeah.
Is Art's done?
Arts is done?
I don't know. I'm asking because her back is turned.
All right. Are you done? Let me see.
I don't.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. Where's it at?
Everyone's eating it. What?
Oh. Yeah. So do you have a? Don't tell me who. Have you tried? Do you have a favorite?
Yes.
Do you have a favorite? Don't say who. Just yes or no.
Yes.
Guys, Angel, can you say?
No, I don't have a favorite.
Not
yet.
a favorite.
I don't have a favorite yet.
Not yet. Okay. I don't know how many of y'all have tried her yet. Tried. So. Okay. It's kind of cool the way they do it, guys, because they're each tasting them individually, then disposing the cup, and then they're each judging, and then based on that, they'll go on to the next round. So it's really kind of cool to see behind how the judging works. Did you see their shirts, guys? Don't be judgy. Their shirt says, "Don't be judgy."
That's my job.
TikTok? Can't show this on TikTok, can you? Nope. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm at October Dragonfly, 10-second cooking school. If you're ever wanting to hand whisk something, make sure you're using a balloon whisk because it introduces more air into the cream or into the oil that you're getting ready to whip up. And if you like these tips, like and follow for more. 10-second cooking school.
Yeah.
Tell us how you got here.
So the best thing to do, if it ever snows in Dallas, don't eat yellow snow.
That's.
Right here, I'll hold the mic if you want to use your hands.
Yes. 10-second cooking school. When you need to use both your hands to whisk in a bowl, damp cloth, make a circle. You put your bowl in the circle, and now you have 2 hands to work. 10-second cooking school. Follow some more.
Wasn't Mayo. Yeah, that's what I meant. It wasn't mayonnaise. That's what I meant. Everybody else, you're moving on. So congratulations.
So, Punchy did obviously show you about the cloth, which is good. It stabilizes it. So the secret really, teaspoon, is egg yolk, the dijon, and the lemon juice. Mix that together first thoroughly till you get a little sheen. And the most important part, and this is where a lot of people probably fell down, is you put droplets. Now it's easier. If you put droplets in first, like 3 or 4 drops, and then keep stirring, incorporating it. Obviously it's a bit,
You didn't pay attention to that 10-second cooking school,
Yeah.
did you?
Yeah, don't worry about it. So you whisk this in small circles, not people were whisking it like eggs, like an omelette. Just round, like this, short, but make sure you touch the base every time. You're touching the base, then you'll get this nice little sheen. And you'll see a colour change. It'll become really, really glossy and emulsified, and that's when you start going in with the additional oil, but slowly but surely. The next part is about 50 millilitres. Don't know what that is in American terms. And then just keep stirring, and you incorporate that. That's where you're not going to get a lot of people had a kind of omelette base. That's the way to start your mayonnaise. 10-second cooking school in 35 seconds.
We're deliberating over. What are y'all deliberating about? I thought everybody moved on. Okay. Good talk. All right, here we go.
The next round. The next round is basically they're going to give us a bunch of ingredients, and we have to figure out what it makes. Which I'm going to go with that.
So they're going to give you ingredients, or they're going to read off some ingredients?
They're going to read off some ingredients, and we have to guess what recipe that was.
So the top three mayonnaise, they were RX, T, and Jesse. Let's go! RX, T, Jesse, top three.
Okay.